Hi, Papa. Thank you po sa flowers.
Yeah, I sent Katie some flowers. Tapos tumawag siya sa akin. Sabi niya, kala ko sa akin. Kay Katie pala. Yeah. Kasi tinawag ko si Katie. And when me and Katie were talking, I said, Katie, busy ka ba? Sabi niya, hindi po. Sabi ko, pwede ka bang tumayo? Can you go to the kitchen and look at your mom's flowers kung patay na? So she went to she showed me the thing. I was like, oh, medyo law na. I was like, ano, palitan natin? Sabi niya, wag na, okay pa to. Hindi, wag na, okay pa yan. Buhay pa. Sabi ko, okay, sige, kasi papalitan ko sana. But, so I said, sige, ikaw na lang, Katie. What color do you want? So she likes really, she wants colorful flowers.
Hi, Papa. Thank you po sa flowers. Love you. Ingat ka po dyan. Okay lang po kami dito.